Okay, today I will show you how to set up a DNS server. So let's start. Okay, again welcome to AKS Netlab. Now I am starting my video tutorial. So today's concept is how to set up a DNS server. So here is my DNS server, here is my Google server, and here is an PC. It's an user 1. Okay, so I have put on those IP address on this device due to short time. Here you can see DNS server. Here IP is in 192.168.10.2 and Google server IP address 192.168.10.3. And here is my local user, and there is IP address is 192.168.12.2. Okay, so first of all I have to configure a router, this router, and both of this port, and I have to assign an IP address both of this port. So let's go. Okay, I'm going to CLI mode router. Then you have to press. Okay, you have to press enable and then enter global configuration mode, configure terminal, then hit enter. This port is FA0/0, that means fast Ethernet 0/0. So I will enter IP address in here. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0, hit enter. Then set IP address, and the command is IP address 192.168.10.1. This is the gateway IP address, the gateway. Okay, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.248. Okay, then hit enter. Now we have to up this port, so we have to enter this command, no shutdown. Hit enter. Okay, you can see the port is signaling green, that means the port is up. Okay, so we will go to another port, so it's exit. Now I will configure Google server, that means 6/0, this okay, 6/0, this port. So we have to assign here another IP address or IP block. So we can use 11.2. We have to change the IP address 11.2. Okay, so same method, interface fast Ethernet 6/0, this port, and I will assign 192.16 IP address 192.168.11.1 and the mask is 255.255.248. So no shutdown for up this command, up this port. The port is up. Okay, exit. Now I will configure this port FA1/0. Okay, so go interface fast Ethernet 1/0, then set IP address 192.168.12.1, the IP address, and mask is 255.255.248. Okay, so no shutdown. Exit. The both of this port is now up, so I will check the connectivity from PC to DNS server. Okay, the switch port is still not up, so we have to wait. Okay, the port is up. We will check the connectivity in PC command port and check ping. Here this IP address 192.168.10.2. Okay, I am getting response from this server. I am getting response from the DNS server. Now I will check the Google server 10.11.2. Okay, the boot server is responding. So we have to configure the DNS server now. So go to DNS server, and here you have to go service, then DNS, select DNS, and here you have to turn on this method and name. So we will configure Google server in DNS server. We will input here the name google.com, CWGLE, google.com. Okay, then we have to enter the IP address google.com, or the Google, that means Google server IP address. We need to enter 192.168.11.2. this is the Google server IP address. Then you have to click add. Okay, the Google server is add. Then we cut this option and we will check now. So go to user PC and close this and go to web server, web browser, and here write down zwgle google.com. Okay, you can see the Google server is responding. Here is the Google. Then I will show you again web browser and here google.com. The server is responding. So here is the technology, here is the method. You can try this out. If you have any question, please feel free to comment. I will respond as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.